Welcome to Historic Aerials. Today I'm going to show you each of the comparison tools that are always free to use within our image viewer. Inside of the viewer, I found the area and year of coverage that I would like to explore through comparison. Any combination of two aerial images, topo maps, or atlases can be compared. When I click the Compare tab inside the image viewer, four icons pop up: Spotlight, Slider, Transparency, and Exit. Let's start by clicking on the Transparency tool. As soon as I click on the Comparison tool, another menu appears on the right side of the image viewer where I can select my second image, topo map, or atlas. For this example, I'm going to look at how San Francisco has changed by comparing an aerial image from 1946 to an image taken in 2014. By dragging the slider back and forth, the transparency of these two layers shifts, allowing me to see how the city has changed over the years. If I click on the Compare tab, I can switch between the comparison tools without having to reset my chosen images. Let's look at the Slider tool. This tool has a similar slider to the Transparency tool, but instead of shifting transparency, it puts the two images together at full opacity. I can use the slider to move the boundary line between them. Clicking into the Spotlight tool, this comparison view sets the image chosen on the left menu as the dominant layer. By moving my cursor over the image, I reveal the comparison image chosen in the menu to the right. It's important to note that while I'm using a comparison tool, I can still zoom, click and drag, and otherwise explore this area, which is great for when I want to look closer at a feature I'm interested in. Once I'm done using the comparison tool, I'll click the exit icon and my image viewer goes back to the standard view where I can select and purchase the image I found. Thanks for following along today. Check out our other videos for purchasing with subscription credits, a breakdown of file types, and more.